So in this video, I'll be sharing 7 reasons why you should create a YouTube channel. You might be eager to skip ahead and learn the how, but if you don't establish your why first, you're gonna have a very hard time sticking with it in the long run. All right, let's dive into reason number 1, which is passive income. One of the biggest reasons for creating a YouTube channel is the potential to earn money while you sleep. Take it from billionaire Warren Buffett, who once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. The beauty of YouTube is that once you upload a video, it can continue to generate income for years to come. The more content you create, the more potential you have for earning passive income. There are many ways to earn passive income on YouTube, like monetizing your videos through ads, selling merch, affiliate marketing, and so much more. There's a few modules later in the course dedicated to the business side of YouTube. The second, and in my opinion, the best reason for creating a YouTube channel is the ability to make a living from something you're passionate about. The main reason I started my YouTube channel was that I couldn't imagine myself sitting behind a desk from 9 to 5. Most people have something they're passionate about, but don't know how to turn their passion into profit. YouTube bridges this gap and has created an opportunity for people to make a living by sharing videos about practically anything. Reason number 3 is that you get to be your own boss. If you're anything like me, you value freedom over anything else. The freedom to work wherever you want, whenever you want. As a YouTuber, you don't have to be confined to Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 work schedule, stuck within the 4 walls of a cubicle. You can prioritize the most important things in your life. For me, that's the ability to travel around the world. For you, that might look a little different, like working from home and spending more time with your family. Being your own boss also means that you have the ultimate flexibility in life. You can adjust your work hours to fit your personal schedule, whether that means working in the morning or even late at night. You also don't have to ask permission from a manager to take time off or to attend to personal matters. As long as you stay on top of things and hold yourself accountable, you have the freedom to work at your own pace. The 4th reason is being able to build a community of like-minded people. Your YouTube channel will connect you to thousands of other people who have similar interests as you. This is a great way to connect, learn from, and grow your friend circle from all around the world. Because of my YouTube channel, I've made friends from many different countries and even stayed in some of their homes. It's pretty cool to think that I can show up to somewhere like Dubai and be able to hang out with a bunch of people who not only know me, but enjoy the same things that I do. All right, the 5th benefit of having a YouTube channel is that it can be a great creative outlet. YouTube allows you to explore your creativity in endless ways, like making vlogs, filming your adventures, or teaching tutorials. Having a YouTube channel can also help you find and develop your creativity. The more you create, the more you'll learn about your unique style, strengths, and limitations. All right, reason number 6 is the ability to bring in free advertisement to your business or brand. More eyes equals more income. So for example, if you're a videographer, you can showcase your work on YouTube and reach hundreds, if not thousands of potential clients. Same thing if you own a business or sell a service or product. You can generate tons of free traffic to your website, which hopefully will lead to more sales. If you optimize your videos, they can also appear in YouTube and Google search results, which can bring free organic traffic to your business or brand. I'll cover exactly how to do this in a later module. And last but not least, we have reason number 7, you can document your journey. A YouTube channel allows you to document your progress, experiences, and adventures. One of my favorite things is the ability to go back and watch older videos. These basically become journal entries, but way better, reminding me of specific people and experiences that I might have forgotten. So whether you film travel vlogs, learn a new skill, or embark on a fitness journey, a YouTube channel will allow you to go back and see all the progress that you've made. So there you have it, 7 reasons why you should create a YouTube channel. I challenge you to write down your why, as it will be your biggest motivation as you continue on your YouTube journey. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the Facebook group. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.